If you've been looking to grow your LinkedIn presence, you might have stumbled across Taplio. But does it really deliver on its promise of boosting your engagement and connections? Let's dive in and see if this tool is worth your time and money. Taplio positions itself as a LinkedIn growth tool designed to help users manage their online presence more effectively. At its core, it offers features like post scheduling, content suggestions, and analytics to track your engagement metrics. The user interface is clean and fairly intuitive, which can be a breath of fresh air for those who find social media management overwhelming. One standout feature is its content library, where you can save and categorize posts for easy access later. This is particularly useful for anyone looking to maintain a consistent posting schedule without scrambling for ideas. However, while the platform seems to cater to both individuals and businesses, it might feel a bit basic for advanced users who are looking for deeper analytics or more customization. Some aspects of Taplio, like its pricing structure and specific integrations, aren't fully detailed on the site, which raises a few questions about transparency. Overall, it feels like a solid option for beginners, but more experienced users might want to dig deeper before committing. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, Taplio is user-friendly, making it accessible for those new to LinkedIn marketing. The content suggestions can save you a lot of time, and the scheduling feature helps maintain consistency in posting. However, there are some drawbacks. The lack of advanced analytics might frustrate users who want to dive deeper into their performance metrics. Additionally, the pricing can be a concern, especially if you're just starting out and unsure about the return on investment. There's also limited information on customer support options, which could be a deal breaker for some. Overall, Taplio seems best suited for newcomers to LinkedIn who need a straightforward tool, while seasoned pros might want to explore other options that offer more robust features. In conclusion, Taplio could be a great fit if you're just getting started with LinkedIn and want a simple way to grow your presence. However, if you're looking for advanced features and detailed insights, you might want to consider alternatives. It's worth trying out, but just be sure to weigh your options first.